Let's meet Pranay and Manaswini, one of our top 20 finalists of Witblox Young Inventor Techfest 2020.
Hi, I'm Pranay. I'm of 12 years old. I'm studying some class in Sri Venkateswara Balikudi, Guntur. My hobbies are playing with my friends, playing piano, making robots, making short animation videos.
Hi, this is Manaswini. I am of 8 years old. I am studying in 3rd class, Sri Venkateswara Balikudi, Guntur. My hobbies are playing, writing short stories, singing. Sanitizer now.
This is 3.3 volts regulator. I'm placing this 3.3 volts regulator on the breadboard. And this is UV LED. Now I am giving the power supply to this circuit.
Wow, it is working.
Now the product is ready. Now we are giving the power supply.
See how it is working. Let the sanitizer but food items. For 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, we remove the box from the food items and eat our favorite food items.
In future, we want to make this UV sanitizer as a product so many people can use it.
Many congratulations Pranay and Manaswini for their invention. On behalf of the entire team of Witblox and Techfest, we wish them the very best of luck for the future.
I was seeing Manaswini was very happy and she was laughing. She was laughing and her brother was also very happy. Great to see you both. So let's open the floor for Q&A. Over to you, judges. Thank you.
My question is a little weird, but where did you find those UV LEDs?
In Amazon.
From Amazon. But if they're actually UV LEDs, then how is it safe for you, your hands and your skin to be exposed to it?
That's why we made his box, sir.
Yeah, but if they, you have to, just a suggestion that you have to do it for longer than 10 seconds because those the UV LEDs that you're using, they take much longer because they're not as effective as the generic UVs. If they would have been, it also would have been very dangerous for you to use it as well.
So are you using this at home to disinfect food?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Very nice.
In the project, when you were both working on it, did you tend to have different jobs? Who was the person who did the drawings? Who was the person who did the electronics? Who was the person who... Did you challenge each other and work together as well as a team?
We worked together and challenged together.
Well done, well done.
Yeah, well done, both of you. You have done a very nice group work and very simple solution. Very appropriate at this time to disinfect. Stay safe and take care. Very well done, both of you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Pranay and Manaswini.
Many congratulations Pranay and Manaswini for their invention. On behalf of the entire team of Witblox and Techfest, we wish them the very best of luck for the future.